So I first talked about this stock in the month of December, and since then it has been a rise of 137%. And not only that, actually I've made another video and talked about a probable breakout, and I was waiting for that, and probably that has actually happened in this stock. So you can probably say that a big trend has opened up. So whatever is going to happen, so it will be a fresh high and a new move and a new high, so which means that a new trend is about to start or probably has started, and that's what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are discussing about the long-term chart of Himax Technologies. And so I mean, when I talked about this stock, so in the month of December, so it was like $4 or $5. Then it actually went up to $15. Right now, 15.86. But what we are going to discuss about first will be the breakout. Okay, so if you are using the line chart, then it is very much visible. And meanwhile, you can check out my previous videos as well, what I have said at that time. Okay, about the first video what was talking about the trend, and then about a potential breakout. Now so if you are using a line chart, breakout has already happened. As you can see, you have a $15 and you have 13.96. So these are your two support level, and the stock must not fall below 13.96. So that should not be the case, otherwise there is no need to carry any further trend on the downside. Okay, so although you have something called strict stop loss, but yeah, this is the thing which you need to understand. Okay, don't go below 13.96. Now, as the breakout has already happened and the stock is trading above $15, 15.09, and if you still want some more confirmation, so and if you want to match up point to point correlation, you can wait for the stock to actually make a move above $16. That's what you need to do. Probably you 16.3 or 16.5. You need to wait for half a dollar or $1 on the upside if you require further confirmation. Now, because a breakout has probably happened here and a new or a fresh trend about to start, so this means a lot. Okay, this definitely means a lot, and in this case the levels which we are going to look on the upside will also be big. So there will be a different levels or targets which we are going to see on the upside, but let's start with a reasonable one and then we will go one step after another. So we will reanalyze the chart once after the first target gets made. So here we can see that from this support to this resistance, the stock actually moved up by 187%. So because the breakout has happened, we can at least expect a move of 187% on the upside, to be specific 187.9. So the next target, if it holds at or above 615 or $16, will be $40, and that's the target that we are looking at on the upside. Obviously this will take time. If you don't and you will get the targets, you know what to do. Take your profits if you are uncomfortable with uh, with the trend. So that's what we are looking at. So you have your strict stop loss. If you want further confirmation, wait till 16 and a half, and if it surpasses and sustain above that, the big trend on weekly or monthly basis that we are going to look at will be $40 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.